Today's style is the Artemis Bun, and when I went to do research on what it was, I ended up finding two videos with completely different methods. So I am not sure which one is more right, and we'll see. Maybe they come out looking the same and it's just different ways to get to the same conclusion. One of them is Hypnotica, and one of them is Sarah Labyrinth LHC. So I liked the Hypnotica version the best for my hair, so I'm going to start with that one. It basically starts just like a knotless. I'm going to put it up a little bit high up here. Form a loop. Make the loop pretty big and loose. Find a way to wrap the hair around the base. Pull that loop over, and now, so that's a knotless. Now what we're going to do is rotate it to the right. So this ends up a little off center on me. I feel like I should start the ponytail maybe over here, but then I'm going to take my fork, stick it in the top, go all the way through, and kind of fluff this a little bit. So it creates this nice smooth bump with kind of a circle around it. So let me try doing that a little bit over to this side, see if it ends up more centered. So make a big loop, wrap hair, wrap hair, pull over, and then to the side, fluff out the center, stab with a fork. Not sure why this side is coming so far away from my head. But, yeah. Alright, so now let's do the Sarah Labyrinth version. Starts out with the same loop. And now we are going to just take our length, pull it part way through to create another loop. And now we rotate from horizontal loops to vertical. The new loop goes on the bottom. Bit to fluff out the center, stick the fork in the top all the way through, and then she takes the remaining hair to wrap around afterwards. So this one just is not as stable for me, and I don't know. I've tried it a bunch of times now, and I just don't like how it's coming out at all. So I'm going to go with the Hypnotica version, the Nautilus that is turned to the right. And I'll consider that to be the proper Artemis Bun. All right, see you next time.